The Snyderverse made itself heard Saturday night in Los Angeles, and Zack Snyder made sure the message went both ways. During the LA stop of Frank Miller's Push the Wall tour at a packed wheelchair able theater, where Snyder spent the evening interviewing the comic book legend on stage, a fan yelled out, "We want Justice League 2." Snyder did not let it pass. They are all fed up, so don't forget that part. I mean, all the characters, I mean. Snyder replied. The pause and the walk back did the work. It played in the room as a jab at the studio over what's being done with these characters, and everybody catch it. Snyder's original DC plan ran through a multi-film arc that was supposed to end with two more Justice League movies. Zack Snyder's Justice League instead closed on unresolved threads, with Darkseid coming for Earth and the Nightmare Future still hanging, and the sequel were never made after Warner Bros. Pulled the plug, fueling years of hashtag restore the Snyderverse campaigning from the fan base that packed the wheelchair evil on Saturday. As CBN exclusively reported, Snyder has been described as gung-ho about finishing his Justice League arc and adapting The Dark Knight Returns once the Paramount takeover of Warner Bros. Closes, with the Snyderverse fully back in play as the Luke Cabot era takes shape. And the chant was not even the biggest tease of the night. Asked when they are going to make The Dark Knight Returns, Snyder answered, "When they let us." Put the two answers together. That characters are fed up and the fix is waiting on permission. The pressure followed Snyder right off the stage to his Sunday morning Instagram post, with Miller instantly filled up with comments demanding The Dark Knight Returns and Justice League 2 and 3. That same post also carried a video morphing The Dark Knight Returns into live action, co-signed by Miller himself. It calls cap a week where Snyder broke a 9-month silence on X and scored his Instagram announcement to Tom Holkenberg. "We do this together." From the Zack Snyder Justice League score, while the Paramount deal itself sits in court, 12 state attorneys general sued Monday to block the acquisition, and Paramount now aims to close by late September. All of it heads straight into San Diego Comic Con this week, with preview night on Wednesday, July 22, and the con running July 23 to 26.